This portable air conditioner by Hisense is the perfect addition if you're trying to add air conditioning to a small house or a section of your home. It has 6,000 BTU and will cool up to 299 square feet. It has multiple functions on this panel. However, it is so simple to use. You have your power button, your modes, which function between cool as an air conditioner, dry as a dehumidifier, or fan just to circulate air. It also allows you to toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit, set your temperature, and even set a timer so that way it's only running for a certain period of time. You can also toggle the fan between high and low. Let's see how quick it is to actually turn on. I can already feel it starting to cool down.